Now, a bizarre set of events which saw one of the nation's high jumpers switch allegiance to compete for Canada has not stopped her from returning to the island to share her expertise with youngsters from her birthplace. More on her story in this report from Jordan Fort.
Having been an outstanding high jumper while competing at the collegiate level, Marissa Cadenhead claims her main regret throughout her career is not ever being given the opportunity to represent her country, instead choosing to compete for Canada. But the reason she gave for her non-selection for Jamaica is what makes her story quite interesting.
You know, I'm not really sure of the details of that, but it's my experience that when I came here and won the national title, no one really approached me to ask me any question about this. So I wasn't really sure. I was a young athlete. I'm not sure what was supposed to happen after I win. I thought, you win, you go home and wait for the call. And I did get the call. Someone came to my home and told me that I would possibly be on the team, but they're not sure. Rest his soul in peace, Mr. Charles Fuller. And then I never really got any more contact information after that. I'm in the process of approaching the J3A. I've been through the Jamaica Olympic Association, and we're in the process of working that out.
But having not been selected 17 years ago, why didn't she reach out to the local governing body back then?
At first, I just saw it. I wasn't sure what was happening. I was away, so I thought maybe our national federation just didn't care because they hadn't reached out to congratulate me or to acknowledge my performances or to say what happens next. And I didn't know the sport, and being that I was young, all I knew was at the collegiate level.
Despite all of this, Cadenhead has decided to return home to help local aspiring high jumpers realize their dream.
And I'm here reaching out to the general public, and also I've reached out to the Minister of Sports office, and I'm calling on everyone for their support to establish this national high jump camp. It's a jumps camp that can inspire our youth, and I want them to know that through high jump, you know, we can provide more opportunity for youth. As I experienced myself, you know, high jump can be a catalyst for education and for lifetime fitness and learning and so forth.
When TVJ Sports contacted the Jamaica Athletics Administrative Association, we were told that Cadenhead had been told to submit the requisite documents to support her claim to the local governing body. The IAAF website shows Cadenhead's personal best as 1.95 meters, but official J3A's national senior records show Sharif Francis Ruff as the national record holder with a best of 1.93 meters. TVJ Sports was, however, told that Cadenhead had her switch of allegiance to represent Canada officially granted in July of 2002, just 2 months after her 1.95 meter performance. Jordan Fort, TVJ.